With Mother's Day just around the corner, it's a perfect time to experiment with some crafting. Today I'll be using my Dremel Light to do some engraving. One project that I've always wanted to experiment with is engraving. So when I recently got my hands on the Dremel Light, I knew that it would be the first thing that I was going to try. The Dremel Light is a lightweight version of my favourite rotary tool and is perfect for smaller projects and if you're just getting started with Dremel. Dremel have also launched a really great collection of new accessory kits, making it super easy to get engraving. For this project, I decided to make engraved pendants that would be so great for Mother's Day. I decided to make them out of metal, stone and glass, so I chose to use those accessory kits. For this project you need the Dremel Light and you also need two accessory kits, the one for metal and the one for glass and stone. You'll also need some necklace chain, some jewellery pliers, a wood block and some tape. The first thing to do is set up your Dremel Light for engraving, which means choosing the right engraving accessory and installing it on your Dremel. You need to make sure that your pendant isn't going to move around while you're engraving it, so take some tape and tape it to the wood block. Take some time to get used to the feel of holding the Dremel Light. It's really great because it's lightweight and it's easy to hold in a pencil grip, which is perfect for engraving. Once I felt comfortable, I used light strokes on the pendant to engrave them with some words and some symbols. Once I'd finished engraving on the metal pendants, I moved on to the glass ones and the stone ones, and I loved seeing how different materials engraved differently. After I had finished doing all the pendants, I put the necklaces together using my jewellery pliers and then packed them up for Mum for Mother's Day. I really love how they look and I hope she likes them too.